understood of the question. Tell me briefly something about yourself.
So actually, I'm very cooperative type of person. I think I am. Some of my positives are that I have confidence in my own ability. Like if I'm very good in some kind of field, then I can excel in that. I have that amount of confidence.
Okay.
Secondly, second factor is that I'm very cooperative with my friends. Actually, the gate coaching to Delhi has have helped me a lot because I have been able to find friends from all over the country, and I'm very good in talking in Hindi and other languages as well. Uh, 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 then some of my negatives are that I'm very untidy in some occasions. Like mostly when I'm not very clean. I does not clean my room or stuff like that. In most occasions. My second weakness is that I get mostly tormented because uh, some people just underestimate me. Mainly a couple of my friends, because I think I can excel in some of this field, but they actually underestimate me a little bit, and that can little bit affect me. But in the end, or the first major quality, because that I have confidence in my own ability, helps me in that. Uh, then I think so. These are some of them.
Okay. And why exactly do you want to join the armed forces?
So because it's one of the prestigious ways to serve your country. Uh, Mostly because you get mostly honored by it, and if you can serve your country in other forms, but defensively, if you're it is one of the most adventurous and life improving way of serving the army. Uh, and of course, the disciplined way that you are proclaimed to be a good citizen for your country. Uh, these are some of the factors.
Okay. Now tell me something about your family background. Parents, what are they doing? Siblings, how many siblings you have, and what exactly are they doing? How exactly do you people
My father.
listen to the question completely.
Yes, sir.
Parents, what are they doing? Siblings, how many, and what are they doing? How exactly do you people intermingle with each other on a routine basis? Whom are you pretty much close to in your family? Who's your role model in your family? How much of pocket money do you get in a month? And how exactly do you spend that money? And given a Sunday oblique holiday, how exactly do you spend that day when you are at home? Also tell me something about your friend circle. What are the type of friends you have? How exactly do you people intermingle with each other? Who is your best friend and why? Yeah.
My father is a CRPF officer. He retired a couple of years ago. After that, he has been doing his agriculture in his own here itself. My mother is a teacher. She's a higher secondary school teacher. She has been working for 15 years. I have a sister. She's uh, she's pursuing second year in MBBS in Coimbatore. She's right now she's at home because due to the epidemic. Um, then I have a grandmother here. Uh, she's 65, 70 years of age. Uh, uh, then um, uh, my father usually these days my father is doing his agriculture bit here. My mother is having her online classes, so she helps my father usually helps me and supports me in most of the cases. Even during the after passing the FCAT examination, he persuaded me mostly to go for the coaching, and he supported me in that I could excel in this. My mother is also quite supportive enough. My sister and I support each other actually. She repeated once for qualifying for the MBBS. So for the first on the first occasion she was not able to pass. So I helped her and supported her in the occasion to go for one more. Then the second time she got qualified. Then for myself, I have had failures twice or thrice because after my gate examination, I didn't get the scores that I expected from myself. Uh, and after the gate examination, I also ventured for the technical stuff of railway, that junior engineering, and I lost it by 2 marks. So I was a little bit stressful. My family helped me in those occasions and told that you are still young and uh, you have the ability to perform well in other occasions. As far as my friends go, I have a lot of group of friends here. Uh, Usually, most of them are under my age, and some of them are of my own age. They actually, because I'm the eldest one, they usually respect me a lot. Uh, uh, on my Sundays, most of the day after the 4 or 5 p.m., we have friend circle here, so we go for playing cricket or football, mostly football, because we have a club here, uh, and we play and we play here in the nearby school. That's how the Sundays goes. Or else I will go for one of my best friends. My best friend is Ibn, who has been my friend for more than 10 years from my school days itself. Uh, or else if in Sundays I usually go to him because he's mostly supportive and encouraging him than most of my other friends because he knows more about me. So he helps in my difficult occasions as well. So that.
And why this drop in percentage from your 10th standard to 12th standard to your graduation?
So after 10th standard, actually, I wanted to attain more education in the technical stuff. So I wanted to get into engineering to qualify for the engineering. So I had 5 days of classes in my school, regular classes. Then after the regular classes, Saturday and Sunday, I had to go for the coaching as well. So actually, it just backfired a little bit. I had to go. I had to make sure that I concentrate on both things. So a little bit of drop that really backfired and affected my academics towards the 12th standard.
Okay. And what subject did you do your graduation from?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering.
Yes.
Which subject in mechanical engineering did you like the best?
So fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is one.
What are fluid mechanics?
Fluid mechanics is mostly it talks about the fluid, that is air or water and their flow. It is mostly concentrated on. I like the subject because most of the vehicles that like something aircrafts and other are mostly influenced by this fluid mechanics, and it is one of the core subjects in those areas.
Okay. Tell me what are the games and sports you played and to what level have you played?
Sir, I'm a badminton player mostly. I have been in the school team since 9th standard. I have went for Sahodaya. I have reached the quarterfinals, doubles. Then in the cricket team also, I was vice captain there. I have captained my team. Then I have a football club here. I am the captain of that football club as well. We went for a local tournament here and we reached the finals and lost in penalties last year. That's it.
Since your favorite game is badminton, what is the weight of a badminton shuttle?
Sorry, it usually varies because so if you're using it mostly in the main tournaments, it is of in the main tournaments is used of feathers, but we actually play with the with the one with the synthetic one. So it actually weighs about 90 gram, I think, 92, 90 gram. And
90 grams, the feather.
no, sir, actually we play with the synthetic one. I think 90, 92, 150 gram varies.
Talking about the international national tournaments, the official tournaments. Okay. In a live cricket match, how many wooden objects are there in the field? Understood? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood the question?
Yes, sir.
So in a live cricket match, how many wooden objects are
8.
there? 8.
Sir, actually, sir, sir, does it include the one which is won by the players? Won by the players?
More
Sir,
than
8,
that.
8, 8.
What are the 8?
So the 2 bats that is occurred by the strikers, then the stumps, 6 plus
How
2,
many
8.
stumps?
6, totally
How
6.
many?
Total 6
What about
stumps.
the bail? What about the bails?
So then 12. Sorry, sir.
What about the
12
ball?
stumps. Ball is okay.
What is okay in the ball?
Okay, sir. 12, 13. That.
Then what is the ball made of?
Cork. Small cork. Cork made.
So
Wooden cork.
So now we agree that there are 13 or 8?
13.
Who's your favorite sports personality?
Sports personality.
Yeah.
So, Sachin Tendulkar.
Why?
So, because he has been one of the most influential batsmen in the 90s, and for people of my age, we have been really influenced by his batting.
Why not Virat Kohli?
Actually, so because
Virat Kohli is closer to your age.
Yeah, he's of my age because at that time, when I started seeing cricket, Sachin was one of the most influential players at that time, and his way of batting style is something that is copied by most of the young people that is coming through. Virat Kohli is one of them.
And in the female circle, who is your favorite sports personality?
Vivian Miedema.
Sorry?
Sir, Vivian Miedema.
Which country does he belong to?
She belongs to Netherlands.
Which sports does she play?
Football.
Who is the best female footballer from a goal scoring perspective?
Goal scorer, sir. Vivian Miedema is one of the most goal scoring women football players these days.
Okay, why not Preeti Mandana?
I have been mostly these days I have been watching football more than cricket because I'm very much interested in cricket, but these days I have been my have been more fluctuating towards football, so I have been following football, so that's why me and Anna.
Okay. Who's the greatest or the best football player from your home state of Kerala at this point in time?
Sir, actually, I does not remember his name properly, but sir, I does not remember his. I know one, but I does not remember his name properly.
Okay. How many districts are there in Kerala?
40.
Which is the biggest district?
Palakkad.
And which are the districts that do not touch the waterline, or is not sea touching?
So Kottayam is one of them. Then Ernakulam is one. So those are the two that I could.
Ernakulam is not touching the water. You have the naval base in Cochin.
So I mean, border is being connected to other states. You said.
I said not touching the water line.
Okay, Kottayam is one of them. Then so that's the only one. I think.
Okay, how many rivers are there in Kerala?
Rivers, sir, I just not. I know exactly number.
Which are the countries that are neighboring India geographically?
Pakistan, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Nepal. These are the ones I remember.
What about Burma?
So, okay, Burma is also.
The capital of Burma?
Just don't know, sir. Actually, no.
Okay. You're joining the Air Force. Can you tell me how many commands are there in the Indian Air Force?
So there are majorly five commands and 2 training commands.
What and where are they?
The Western Command is from Mumbai. The South Command is Tirunelveli. Then, sorry, I forgot the other one.
Okay, don't worry. Tell me, what does your father think about you?
My father thinks that I have a great amount of potential that I should use mostly by hardworking. He thinks that I can achieve anything that I can pursue my own ability. I have the most of the ability that I have is not being used because of less hard work that he thinks. And he thinks that he knows that I'm pretty much determined in the aim that I want to become in my life. He's mostly supportive in nature, so he knows that I can go to him for anything that is needed. That's it.
Okay. So another, we'll stop this question answer session. Okay. Because the idea is to seek some advice and know where you are and whatever. So let's go one after the other certain points. The first thing is this PIQ, which you have sent and which I got a printout in front of me. Make sure that you fill it with a good pen, nice thick color pen, black or blue. No cutting, no spelling mistakes, and fill all the relevant data that you got, right? And any data that you have nothing to write, don't leave it blank, write dash or not applicable.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
So that's the first thing. Next is, since you have not had a physical interview, you're having it online, the way you enter the interviewing officer's room makes a difference. You enter with a lot of confidence, with a little bit of energy. Good morning, sir. Can I come in? Come in. Sit down. Thank you, sir. Understood. Be well dressed. Don't wear these colorful dresses and all that. Wear a light color shirt, a dark color pants, wear a good shoe which is polished, a leather shoe that is polished and things to that effect, and sit. There will be no table the way you are sitting right now. There will be no table in front of you. It will just be a chair. So put your leg comfortably and put your hands on your legs and sit comfortably. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Coming on to your basic this thing. Your communication skills improve a little more. It's somewhere there that you can improve it since you have the time. Improve it a little more. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Your communication skill when you're interacting with. Then 2018 you finished your college and now it's 2020, 2 years plus. So that's not a very good answer that you've given as to what you've done in the last 2 years. So think about something better. Game sports, okay, you're likely participating in different sports, so that's not an issue. And there's not too much of a activity that you're doing other than some small little job or whatever, a small little activity that you have. What is that name of the activity group? What is the member?
IEEE, sir. IEEE member.
Member IEEE.
Yes, sir.
That is hardly a membership that any engineer becomes a member of the IEEE. Understood.
Okay, sir.
Anybody who is a engineering graduate can apply to become a member of the IEEE, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that's broadly what your thing is. Your confidence level is fairly okay. I don't know whether it is because you're sitting on the online. Because if you physically sit in front of the interviewing officer, it's maybe a little different. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
confidence, general knowledge, general awareness. Like everybody, you also need to improve both in
Okay,
the defense awareness and the other awareness. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's my little input to you. Anything that you need to ask?
Sir, about my yesterday there was a PPT class, PPDT class. So in that one, the sir told me that my English is a little bit fast, like it is not understandable, something like that. You have to be more deliberate. Was it similar here when I was interviewed?
No, I didn't understand that. The thing. Anyway, afternoon I will be conducting your PPT again, so we will see it then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So all the best, and do well. All the best,
Thanks, sir.
and hope to see you in one of the academies.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the
Thanks.
best. Yeah. Sandeep, can you hear me, see me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You are